Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's still me here. So if you a new subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and join the family. For the old subscriber, thank you for rooting for your girl and supporting me. I'm so grateful for that. I'll be talking about different ways to stop your breast milk from flowing. If you're a new mom, if you're an aspiring mom, if you're pregnant, this is the method that I tried to stop my breast milk from flowing when I started weaning my baby, and it actually worked. This is a natural method. You don't need to take any sage tea or any medication to stop your breast milk from flowing. This is a trusted method that I tried and it worked for me. I will be discussing different hacks that I used when I tried weaning my baby. We started the weaning process at 6 months and she's 7 months now, and the process worked for me. When my sister told me about it and my mother-in-law, I thought it's just one of those means of motherhood, but I tried the method and it worked just for 3 days and my breast milk dried up. So first, I'm going to tell you the different methods that women try when they're trying to wean their baby. So when I started up, it was a bit difficult. I went cold turkey. The cold turkey method is more of a situation whereby you just stop breastfeeding the baby immediately, entirely. You just cut it off. The cold turkey method, your breast can slow down if you don't stimulate or pump, if you stop breastfeeding immediately. So I tried the cold turkey method and we didn't sleep. Like, my baby cried throughout the day. You can see the crying was on a different level. So I won't advise you using the cold turkey method, but if you can try the cold turkey method, if it works for you, then no problem. But when I tried the cold turkey method, we didn't sleep for a whole day. She kept on crying. She even had a fever. This is the method that I tried because the cold turkey method didn't work for me. As you can see, she kept on crying. She was cranky all throughout the week, so I had to go back to breastfeeding her. But the next thing I did that worked was I replaced my breastfeeding sessions. Like, I started off by, if I'm breastfeeding her twice in the morning, I reduced it to once, and I bottle fed her during that period instead of breastfeeding. So I was all replacing the breastfeeding with bottle feeding. I also tried giving her solids like soup. I started with okra soup, and make sure you don't add pepper or too much spices. So another method I'm going to tell you about is the cabbage method. Yeah, cabbage actually worked. Within 3 days my breast milk dried up. So what you are going to do is buy a cabbage. You can get like 3. I got like 3 to 5 pieces of cabbage. So I removed the green outer layer. You know how cabbage comes. Remove the green outer layer, wash the inner layer, then keep this cabbage head in the freezer. So within 10 to 20 minutes it's going to like freeze up. Then gently bring out a layer of the cabbage. Bring different layers, just cut it out like this, like 2 or 3 straps. Then make sure you break the stem, break it, make it all, just break it like this in this method. Then do another layer, break it up, then pad it up on your boobs. Make sure you are wearing a firm bra, because if you're not putting on a firm bra, it won't hold. So if you do like 3 layers of this, pad it up on your boob, then make sure it covers your areola area, your nipples and all. So when you do this, it's going to give you that cold, chilly feeling. Like, it's going to be a bit cold, but it's going to relieve you of the pain. Breastfeeding, you're going to have engorgement of the breast, and an engorgement means you're going to have pains all over your boob areas, and believe me, it's really painful. So I'll advise, don't extract. You are going to be tempted to extract, but don't, because when you extract, you're telling your body to produce more milk. the essence of us doing this is for the milk to dry up naturally. But if you extract or pump, you are telling your body keep producing milk. So you want to tell your body like, stop producing milk, I don't need the milk again. So when you do this, remember 3 layers is okay. Put it up on your nipples, and the cabbage automatically extracts the milk. I don't know how this thing works, but I don't have any science to back it up, but believe me, it works. I tried it and mine dried up within 3 days. The hack that I used that worked for me was, I used this TerraFlex plastic gel. Is a hot water and cold water pack. So I put it up in the freezer, then I take a towel, I place it over my boobs and keep it on top of my boob area. It helps with the pain, reduce the pain. The comfort of the eyes of the gel is a bit chilly, so it's like my favorite body during that period. Like, you can't handle the pain, you can also take ibuprofen, just any pain relief, over the counter medication that can help with the pain. Also, for those that will be asking, if you don't have this, there is another method you can use. You can put water in a ziploc, just very little water in a ziploc, then put it in your freezer, bring it out and use it. Also, it's going to serve the same purpose as this. Okay, so one more thing, during the engorgement process, remember, don't use pump, because a lot of people will be like, oh, let me pump a bit. When you pump, you're still telling your body to produce more. That I use this, I take hot shower. I just make sure the water is hot enough. I use a hot towel, place it all over the boob area, most especially where you feel engorged. Then you can do a light massage and remove the milk out from the ducts, just a little. Don't over massage, because when you do that, it's still the same thing as expressing. So just massage the engorged area. Once the milk has been expressed, you will feel a bit of relief. So these are the methods that I tried and it worked for me. Within 3 days, I stopped producing milk. And though my baby kept on crying, it was not easy for her. Even me, we we didn't sleep most of the night. It was a bit difficult, but it worked for me. And for now, she's taking solids and she's happy with it. She even finds it difficult to bottle feed in this period. She wants to eat the normal local Nigerian delicacies. So I don't know, less job for me, but once in a while we still take cereal, we take normal akamu and normal everyday milk. So, but this method worked. So if you try this method and it works for you, please comment down below and tell me how the journey has been for you also. I would love to hear your experiences with weaning your baby and how the process went. Do comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment, and thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.